Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm gonna let you know the ways to add Base Network to Trust Wallet. So in that case, what you have to do is just follow the steps, and to add a Base Network, first thing you have to go and log in into your account. When you're logged into your Trust Wallet account, that's gonna take you to the home page. So from the home page, what next you have to do is you could just go and use the search bar tool feature located in the top right and type in Base. When you actually locate Base, you have to go and press that, and here you could go and press on the add button. Now that you already added this, now this is one way to add a Base network to your account. Apart from it, you could also go and press the plus icon from the top right, and here type in Base network, and then you could just toggle the button, and likewise then you've successfully added Base network to Trust Wallet. So in this simple way, you could add a Base network to Trust Wallet. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.